Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the problem when you're not receiving the verification code from UpScrolled. So if the email code is not arriving, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the UpScrolled app on your phone and start the sign up or login process using your email address. Now, open your email inbox and check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Many times the verification email ends up there by mistake. If you're using Gmail, tap on Spam and carefully look for an email from UpScrolled. Keep in mind, because UpScrolled is growing very fast, their email servers can sometimes get overloaded. This means the verification code may take 10 to 15 minutes to arrive. So be patient and avoid requesting multiple new codes, because that can delay things even more. If you still haven't received the email, try using a different email address and request the code again. Another quick trick that works for many users is to turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your internet connection, reconnects you to a stronger network or Wi-Fi, and often fixes the problem instantly. After that, go back and request the code again. And that's it! These simple steps should help you receive your UpScrolled verification code and complete your sign up or login without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.